Stop! Before you jam that giant suitcase into the overhead bin like you're playing Tetris on expert mode, did you know airlines are about to downsize your carry-ons in 2025 seriously? Whether you're a power packer or a minimalistic backpack-only hero, these new rules might turn your packing strategy upside down. Hey, journeyers! Welcome back to Empower Your Journey, where we turn travel headaches into smooth adventures. Today we're decoding the brand new 2025 carry-on rules so you can avoid that embarrassing luggage gate drama and save your wallet from surprise fees. Ready to pack like a pro? Let's dive in. 1. Size matters. Airlines are tightening the size leash on carry-ons. Think less hatchback trunk and more handbag chic. Yes, you heard right. Airlines are standardizing dimensions around 22 by 14 by 9 inches for most U.S. carriers and 18 by 14 by 8 inches for personal items to reduce overhead bin congestion. Some airlines, like Frontier and Southwest, still allow slightly larger bags up to 25 by 16 by 10 inches, but they may charge fees if you exceed their stricter thresholds. International carriers often have even smaller standards, some as low as 20 by 14 by 8 inches, per the upcoming IATA guidelines aimed at unifying global carry-on sizes. Something to keep an eye on the conclusion. Oversized bags? They'll be bumping you to the checked baggage club faster than you can say, "Wait, what?" Yes, oversized bags that don't meet these updated dimensions will be upgraded to checked luggage status, often at a hefty fee and delay to your boarding process. Here's my pro tip. Invest in a suitcase with expandable zippers you can easily compress down to the airline's exact limits, and always keep a digital luggage scale in your carry-on pouch so you never get caught off guard. Another great tip: check your airline's rules before traveling. Checking the airline's own site is key since some budget airlines may enforce their rules more strictly, meaning what's fine on one flight could get checked on another. That's why I made the ultimate carry-on size cheat sheet, 150 plus airlines. Yes, over 150. Direct links to each carrier's official baggage page, auto updates whenever they tweak their rules. Download it from the link below, and you'll never be the person awkwardly shoving socks into your carry-on to make it fit. Question for you. What's your funniest or most mortifying gate check story? Spill the tea in the comments. Next up, weight limits. Yep, it's not just the checked bags anymore. Your carry-on might need to pass the scale. Airlines want to manage fuel efficiency and avoid that overhead bin collapse. For 2025, several major carriers are introducing strict carry-on weight caps: Qantas, Qatar, and Singapore. Airlines limit you to just 15 pounds or 7 kilograms, while British Airways lets you carry on up to 51 pounds or 23 kilograms. Yes, you heard that right, 51 pounds. So if you're over 40 and packing golf shoes or a tech kit, you'll want to plan accordingly. Many U.S. airlines, including American, Delta, JetBlue, and United, still impose no official weight limit, but they'll expect you to heft your bag into the overhead bin unassisted. Something to consider if your back isn't what it used to be. Pro tip: break out the packing cubes. They're a boon for keeping your linen shirts, tech cables, and meds organized and evenly distributed, preventing that dreaded one-side heavy tilt when you lift your bag. A digital luggage scale, small enough to stash in your DOP kit, lets you pre-weigh at home or in your hotel room. No more, sir, your bag is 2 pounds over surprises right before boarding. For the gentleman who likes to look sharp, choose multi-use clothing like wrinkle-resistant travel shirts or a lightweight blazer that doubles as a warm layer on chilly flights. Packing one jacket instead of two saves pounds right away. If you're carrying a laptop or camera, consider a backpack with a removable tech pouch so you can spring your devices out at security without emptying the whole bag. Now, onto the fun part, what you can actually bring. Airlines are updating their prohibited list, so that giant shampoo bottle and this extra-large selfie stick might get you in hot water. Note that carry-on restrictions vary significantly between U.S. domestic and international flights. Domestically, the TSA's 311 liquid rule, battery guidelines, and a broad prohibited items list apply at all checkpoints. Internationally, you must also comply with your departure countries and destination countries' regulations, often stricter on liquids, aerosols, and even certain foods or cosmetics. Knowing these nuances ensures you pack confidently and avoid last-minute confiscations. Let's start with U.S. domestic flights. For liquids, gels, and aerosols, The 311 rule applies. All liquids, gels, and aerosols must be in containers of 3.4 ounces or less, fitting into a single quart-sized bag per passenger. Medications and baby items. Prescription medicines, breast milk, and formula are exempt but must be declared at screening. Electronics and batteries, lithium batteries. Spare power banks and lithium-ion batteries must travel in carry-on baggage only. They're banned from checked bags. Security workflow. Pack electronics in an easy-access pouch for X-ray screening to avoid unpacking your whole bag. Miscellaneous prohibited items. Firearms, explosives, and most sharp objects remain banned from carry-on luggage, period. Specialty tools like certain sporting equipment may require airline approval. For international flights, here are some rules to consider. Stricter liquid standards. The 100 milliliters limit globally. Many countries mirror TSA's 100 milliliters rule but enforce it more strictly. Containers must be 100 milliliters or less, even if partially empty. Combined volume caps. Some regions, like the EU and UK, limit total liquid volume to an 80-centimeter bag size, not just weight. Country-specific prohibitions. Cosmetics and aerosols. Perfume, hairspray, and sunscreen may face lower size caps or separate screening in certain countries, so always check on the airline and immigration website. Food and agricultural items. Fresh fruits, meats, and certain dairy products are often prohibited on entry to prevent biohazards. Declare or leave them behind. Electronics and batteries abroad. Power bank restrictions. Some international carriers cap power bank capacity, for example, 20,000 mAh, so check each airline's policy before you pack. Dual voltage devices. Verify that hair dryers, shavers, and chargers support global voltages to avoid fines or confiscation at foreign checkpoints. Duty-free purchases. Liquor and perfume. Bottles bought after security are often allowed, provided they remain in sealed, tamper-evident bags with receipt. Regional variations. Japan, Australia, and Middle Eastern countries may impose unique packaging requirements, always confirm before departure. Here are my pro tips. Liquids still follow the 311 rule, but keep an eye out. Some airlines are even clamping down on battery packs and certain electronics. My advice: pack all electronics in an easy-access pouch for security, and leave that novelty snow globe at home. Have you ever had TSA nab one of your items and make you ditch it? What was it? Let's commiserate. Good news, these new carry-on rules aren't dropping on unsuspecting travelers overnight. The rollout is happening in phases, so you've got time to level up your packing game. Just don't snooze on it. American Airlines, Delta, and WestJet are rumored to be overhauling their size and personal item policies during 2025, aligning U.S. routes more closely with those stricter EU standards, so stay alert. The Real ID enforcement deadline for domestic U.S. flights is May 7, 2025, with a phased approach at major airports. So after that date, you'll need a compliant driver's license, passport, or trusted traveler card to get through TSA. TSA tech upgrades, think AI scanners and improved bin space management, are slated to roll out across major U.S. hubs through late 2025. These upgrades will reduce some liquids restrictions, but, tighten enforcement on oversized bags and untagged items. Pro tip: bookmark and subscribe. Add your airline's carry-on policy page to your browser favorites and subscribe to their updates. Policies can shift on short notice, so it's good to stay informed. By the way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Test pack early. Do a dry run pack 30 days before your trip. Weigh your bag, measure it, and practice lifting it overhead. Your future self will thank you. Stay in the loop. Follow travel policy blogs and forums. Carriers like Southwest and United may pilot new bin size enforcement before formal announcements. Don't get caught off guard. Download my Carry-on Rules cheat sheet, 150-plus airlines, direct official links, and auto-updated from the description below. With every implementation date, dimension, and weight limit at your fingertips, you'll slide through the gate like the packing ninja you are. To thrive under these new rules, you need to pack smart, like a pro. So let's master together the art of minimalist packing so you breeze through security and keep your back on speaking terms. 1. Multifunctional clothing. Ditch the one outfit per day mindset. Opt for wrinkle-resistant travel shirts that double as both business casual and dinner outfits, and convertible pants that zip off into shorts if you land somewhere warm. Less bulk means more room for that extra pair of golf gloves or your favorite noise-canceling headphones. Pro hack: a lightweight merino wool sweater works as a warm layer mid-flight and doubles as a stylish evening wrap, perfect for unpredictable cabin temps. 2. Compression and packing cubes. Slide your socks, underwear, and tees into compression cubes to shave off inches instantly. Think of it as shrink-wrapping your wardrobe so you can squeeze in those extra gadgets. Use color-coded cubes for shirts, electronics, and toiletries so you're not excavating the bottom of your bag at security. 3. Minimalist Essentials Kit. Build a carry-on essentials pouch with travel-sized toiletries in reusable silicone bottles, a compact first aid kit, and a mini toolkit for electronics like cables, adapters, and a spare battery. Having all your must-haves in one spot means no frantic digging when TSA asks, "Anything to declare?" Leave the novelty snow globe or that extra bottle of cologne at home. Your fellow passengers will thank you when the overhead bins snap closed smoothly. 4. Safety and bin space etiquette. Overstuffed bins are a recipe for falling bags and bumped heads. Keep heavy items like laptops and shoes low in the bag, closer to the wheels, so your bag balances when you toss it overhead. And 5. Briefcase. If you're carrying a briefcase or a second personal item, kindly place it under the seat in front of you. It frees up bin space and keeps your electronics within arm's reach. Question: what's your number one minimalist packing essential? Shout it out below. I need fresh ideas. There you have it, your 2025 Carry-On Survival Guide. Have any other packing hacks or rule changes you've heard about? Share them in the comments so we can all fly smarter together. If this video helped you avoid a luggage debacle, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more travel and finance tips every week. Until next time, travel smart, earn more, and live free.